Can you make the right supply chain decision when every second counts? That's exactly the kind of challenge modern SAP certifications are beginning to test. If you're preparing for the SAP Certified Implementation Consultant, SAP Business Network Supply Chain certification, you'll need more than product knowledge. Depending on the certification, SAP's performance-based assessment may require you to solve real business scenarios, complete practical tasks, or even participate in an AI roleplay where you're expected to explain your decisions like a real consultant. That's a very different experience from answering traditional multiple-choice questions. To help candidates prepare for this new certification experience, Cert Boosters has built a SAP assessment practice platform featuring realistic system-based assessments, scenario-based assessments, and AI-powered interview practice inspired by SAP's reimagined certification model. In this video, we'll explore what this certification covers, discuss the skills employers expect, and then work through practical supply chain questions and implementation scenarios that will help you think like an SAP consultant. Let's get started. Now it's your turn. Imagine you're sitting in a performance-based assessment, facing a real implementation challenge, or responding to an AI roleplay that evaluates how you analyze business problems, not just whether you remember the right answer. Pause the video if you need more time, think through each scenario carefully, and compare your reasoning with the explanation. Let's begin with question 1. Question no one. Which of the following is not a challenge associated with complex supply chains? A. Increased outsourcing. B. More trading partners. C. Simplified tracking. D. Diverse geographies. Correct answer. C. Simplified tracking. Explanation. Complex supply chains make tracking more difficult, not simpler, due to multiple trading partners, outsourcing, and diverse geographical locations. Question no. 2 inches, which scenario would you most likely need to enhance visibility in the supply chain? A. When using a single supplier. B. When increasing outsourcing. C. When reducing trading partners. D. When standardizing technology. Correct answer. B. When increasing outsourcing. Explanation. Increased outsourcing involves more external suppliers and partners, making supply chain visibility more important for tracking operations and managing risks. Question no. 3. What does the term end-to-end visibility refer to in supply chain management? A. Visibility from supplier to customer. B. Visibility of only the manufacturing process. C. Visibility limited to logistics. D. Visibility only of inventory levels. Correct answer. A. Visibility from supplier to customer. Explanation. End-to-end visibility means having a complete view of the supply chain, from the initial supplier through manufacturing and logistics to the final customer. Question no 4. Which benefit of SAP Business Network is primarily aimed at improving response times to demand changes? A. Increased automation. B. Enhanced end-to-end visibility. C. Improved collaboration. D. Reduced costs. Correct answer. B. Enhanced end-to-end visibility. Explanation. Enhanced end-to-end visibility helps businesses quickly identify demand changes and respond faster across the supply chain. Question no 5. What is a key factor that can lead to loss of visibility in complex supply chains? A. Standardized technology. B. Limited trading partners. C. Increased number of suppliers. D. Reduced tracking requirements. Correct answer. C. Increased number of suppliers. Explanation. More suppliers increase supply chain complexity, making it harder to track information and maintain clear visibility across the entire network. Modern SAP certifications are evolving because businesses need professionals who can solve problems, not just pass exams. Whether your certification includes a system-based assessment, a scenario-based assessment, or an AI roleplay, practical experience can make all the difference. That's why Cert Boosters created the SAP Assessment Practice Platform, a realistic environment where you can practice hands-on tasks, experience AI-driven scenarios, and build confidence before your official SAP assessment. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others preparing for SAP certifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.